Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you.
Ma'am, is our combined class?
No, beta, it is not your combined class. The previous class didn't get over only, and you people had joined.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Get ready with your copies. Get ready for the dictation. And children, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Now listen. Like last week you did, you left the meeting before it got over. Somebody left 5 minutes before, somebody left 7 minutes before. You will not do this today. Only Arushi was the one to stay back till the end of the class. Adrika, you also left. Avni, you also left. And I don't remember if Anushka was there or not.
Ma'am, when I have done the dictation, so ma'am, you just said that now you can leave. So ma'am, that's why only I have
After the dictation, beta, we are supposed to do cursive writing.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. After doing the cursive writing, I asked you that, ma'am, what I have to do now. So, ma'am, you said that you can leave now.
Okay, did I say that?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You said that to me.
Okay, now listen what we will do, how we will do today. Listen to me, how we are going to do today. First, you will do cursive writing. Okay? I have 4 students in the class. First 20 minutes, let's do cursive writing. Now it's 12:04, 12:05. Let's say it's 12:05. So start doing your cursive writing. At 12:25, I will
Till
begin the dictation.
25, we have to complete 2 pages of cursive work, of cursive writing work.
Three pages at 12:25. I will start dictation. Okay? At 12:25.
Yes, ma'am. It is a Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Disconnected in the middle of the class because my
Arushi, beta, I can't understand even a single word. Your voice is not clear.
ma'am, I am saying that I can be disconnected in the middle of the class because my phone's battery is too low. So make me attend.
I will add you again. Okay, I'll add you again. Don't worry.
Ma'am, please see my handwriting.
Beta, send it on the class group, then I'll be able to see.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm sent it. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes, the cursor, I don't know, it wasn't moving to unmute myself. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm sent.
I am. What?
Ma'am, I will send.
I have sent. Okay, wait. Anushka, very nice. Very nice, beta. Wonderful handwriting. Beautiful work. Keep it up.
Ma'am, I have done one page.
Children, how many pages have you done?
Ma'am, I have done my first page and doing my second page.
I can't understand. Show me. First page,
Ma'am, I
second
have
page. Open your camera and tell me, beta. Open your camera. I'm on the first page. I'm on the second page. Because I can't understand what Arushi is saying. Her signals are, I think, very weak today.
Ma'am, I'm saying that I have done my first page and I am doing my second page.
Okay. Good. Do it. Avni, what about you?
Ma'am, written. And we have to do 2 pages. Ma'am, I have done 2 pages.
You have done 2 pages?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about you, Anushka? How many pages have you done?
Ma'am, I am doing 3rd pages. I have done 2 pages.
Already. Okay, beta. Very nice. Now tell me, shall we start our dictation word? Or you want to
Yes,
finish?
ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Take out your copies, write down today's date and the heading difficult word. Yes?
Ma'am, please open your camera.
I can't understand. You want me to open my camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, Arushi? Why do you want me to open my?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you don't open a camera anytime.
Okay. See, I have opened because by this
And
time
we
I'm
are
because by this time I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired that I don't feel like putting my camera on. I look so bad by the end of
and
the
we are
day.
seeing you after a month.
What?
Ma'am, we are seeing you after a month.
After a month?
Month, ma'am, month.
MONTH?
Yes, ma'am.
After a month? Am I putting my camera on after a month?
Yes, ma'am. You don't put your camera on.
Okay, now I'll put my camera on. All right, write down the first word. Have you written the heading?
Ma'am, I'm doing that.
Write it down.
Yes, ma'am, I'm written heading. Ma'am, I'm written.
The first word is evidence. Evidence. Done?
I'm written.
Very good. The second word, existence. Existence.
J.
Existence. Then the third word, grammar. Grammar.
Ma'am, it's grammar.
Yes, English grammar, na? So what is the spelling of grammar? Tell me.
Ma'am, so simple, ma'am. I will tell.
Tell.
Ma'am, GRAMMER. M-A-R.
Very good. Now see, Arushi, it's not ER, it's AR. Very good, Anushka. Some words appear, they seem to be very simple, but we still make spelling mistake. Okay, then next word, argument. The next
Ma'am,
word is, yes, argument. What is an argument?
Ma'am, behas karna.
Yes.
It is a spell.
Hot discussion. It is a hot discussion, a heated discussion. Then after argument, it is reference. The next reference. Written.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Then after reference, it is unfamiliar. Unfamiliar. Then, okay. Then the seventh word is anxious. Anxious. Like when you are very anxious to tell something has happened and you want to tell it to somebody. Mama, I have done this. Papa, I have done this. So that's the anxiety. You are being anxious to tell. Anxious.
Ma'am, written.
Then the next word, summarize. Summarize. Okay. The summary of something. Something in short.
Ma'am, written.
Then the ninth word is hilarious. Hilarious.
Ma'am, hilarious or hilarious?
Hilarious. What is hilarious?
Hilarious. I don't know.
Okay, hilarious is something that makes you laugh. Something funny.
Yes, ma'am, hilarious.
Okay, that's hilarious.
What is
Then the 10th word is equivalent. Equivalent. Now I have finished these 10 words with you in 5 minutes. And in the previous class, there were so many students that this dictation took 20 to 25 minutes to get completed. It took so long.
And there are only 2 students.
Yes, there are only 2 students. And they made me repeat the word so many times, so many times. Now do one thing.
There were 70, 80 students, then the dictation will be finished in 20, 25 minutes.
Yes. Now what I'll do is I'm going to type all the words in the chat box. Okay. The first word, it was evidence. Evidence. What do you mean by evidence? Evidence is
And like giving a proof to somebody.
yes, very nice. A proof. Okay. Evidence is a
spelling
proof.
is correct.
Anushka, what about you? Yours is correct?
Yes, ma'am, I correct.
Okay. Next word was existence. Existence. Just check. Existence.
Existence. Ma'am, this is also correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, this was also correct.
Very good. Now, grammar. Anushka's grammar was correct, but Arushi's grammar was wrong. GRAMMAR. Okay?
Ma'am, my correct is from eraser.
Yes. The next word, argument. Argument. This I hope both of your argument will be correct.
Mine is correct.
Good. Very nice. Then reference. Now this can be wrong. Tell me. Reference.
Ma'am, REFES. Ma'am, it was wrong because I did not put E after F.
Yes. This is the mistake that is often done in this word. It's reference. Now see Anushka, even you have not put E after F. It's reference. Not reference, it's reference. Okay?
Ma'am, it's reference.
Then after reference, reference. Unfamiliar. Okay. Now check unfamiliar. Unfamiliar. It's correct. Unfamiliar.
In uses.
Then unfamiliar, we have anxious. Oh, this word is ANXIOUS. Anxious.
Ma'am, mine is also.
Wrong. Anxious is wrong.
No, ma'am.
It's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very nice. Anxious is correct. Then the 8th word is
Summarize.
Summarize. SUMMARIZE. Summarize. Correct?
Yes.
Then we had hilarious. HILARIOUS. Hilarious.
Hilarious. Ma'am, correct.
Correct? Where is Arushi
Yes,
gone?
ma'am. Ma'am, Arushi leave the meeting.
Okay, after hilarious, it is
Equivalent.
equivalent. Equivalent.
EY.
EQUIVALENT.
And this is also correct.
Very nice. So what is your score, Anushka? What is your score?
Only we friends may, ma'am.
E is not there. So
Ma'am.
you get
And 10.
9 on 10. Yes, you get 9 on 10 because reference was wrong. Okay, but well done. Very nice. Very nice. Then the next thing, now what we do, see 8 minutes are left. Approximately 8 minutes are left.
Yes.
Right, for the meeting to get over. So what you will do is, you will do the third page of your cursive writing. Okay,
Ma'am.
keep doing it. Don't leave the meeting before showing me. Send it on the
Okay,
class
ma'am.
group. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, I have done third page also. Can I see?
You have done what?
Ma'am, I have done third page also.
You
Can
have done the third page also. Very nice. Now click pictures
Ma'am,
and send it on the class group.
okay. Ma'am.
Don't leave the meeting first. Send it on the class group. Let me see your work.
Ma'am, send it.
Okay, beta, I'll check. Just let me see. Very nice. Very nice work. Beautiful handwriting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, just wait for a minute, Anushka. I'll tell you what we are going to do.
Okay.
Yes, Anushka, now let's play a game. Okay, can you see the chat box? Can you see the chat box, beta? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now you have to guess the word. See, I have typed the jumble word in the chat box. Just make a guess what word it is. It is a gadget that we use a lot these days. What is it?
Ma'am, violin.
Now you have to tell. I have written BIOLEM. Now what is the correct word? Guess the word. These are the spellings written in jumbled way. You have to unjumble the spelling. I have written wrong word. I have just written all the alphabets of the word. You have to make a meaningful word. What it is? The hint is that it is a gadget we use a lot these days. We are dependent on this gadget. What gadget is it? We are dependent for our studies, for our games, for social media. What gadget it is? Tell me, Anushka. Hurry up, make a guess. Okay. Hint number 2, the word starts with M. This gadget starts with M. M-O.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
know.
Tell me.
Violin. BIOLEM. Violin.
What is Boilem?
Ma'am, violin.
Okay. If I say these spellings are wrong, now you have to unjumble the spellings. It is a gadget. Guess what gadget? Yes. The gadget starts with M. Alphabet M.
Yes.
Okay, Anushka, give up. It is mobile. M-O-B-I-L-E. Mobile. You had to guess it. Beta, I'm saying na, these are jumbled words. You have to unjumble them. Look at the spelling. If I make the correct word, will it not be M-O-B-I-L-E? Mobile. Look in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were supposed to guess this. Okay. Anyways, now the class is over. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.